Today, I'm going to church, guys. Guys, today, we're going to Sagrada Familia Church, guys. Guys, now, we're going to church, guys. First time I visit in Sagrada, guys. Look at my bag, guys. Guys, I'm ready to Sagrada. In church, Sagrada Church, guys. Guys. Hey, Tassie, are you ready to Sagrada Familia Church, guys? Hey, Mommy, are you ready?
Yeah.
Going to Sagrada Familia Church.
Yes.
Guys, I will going to a taxi, guys. I will call the taxi. I will going to a Sagrada Church, guys.
Sa kuya, okay na.
Guys, look at the taxi. Look at the taxi, guys. Look at the taxi, guys.
Kasi rin na si
We're
guys.
going to
Pero si guys.
Sagrada Church, guys.
One po.
We're going to Sagrada Church. Guys, we're going to guys, we're going to church, guys. I will visit the Sagrada Church, guys. Mommy, are you excited to going to Sagrada Church? I am.
Yes, yes.
Guys. Guys, I look at the street, guys. I will look at that street. I will go. The church, Sagrada Christian Church is 10 minutes to going it, guys. Guys. Look at all city, guys. The city. The Sagrada City, guys. Guys, after going to church, I will going to hotel, guys. Guys. Guys, now I am Sagrada Church, guys.
Okay na yan.
Look at the Sagrada Church, guys. Look at this. Yes, I'm excited. Now is in the church, guys. Look at Sagrada Church.
Pwede rin. Pwede rin naman dito. Pwede rin naman. Wala naman si Nenny. Pag si Nenny lang ako ay talagang iyak. Sabi ni Jerwin, saka mo na dalhin pag malaki lang.
You see Sagrada Church, guys.
Medyo...
First time I visit in Sagrada Church. Bye, guys. See you next time to watching this video. I am in the church, guys. I am in 10 minutes in church.
Pwede na rin.
Bye, guys.
Pwede na.
This is
12 na
Sagrada
ito sa isang taon, nire 11 pa lang.
Guys, bye, guys.